Hi everyone, my name is Preet and today I'm going to show how our Cloudics system works in B2B or private operated stations. It's already used in different areas, for example in agricultural services, road construction and also waste management. Because of the simplicity of the solution. As you can see from the picture, Cloudics creates a new unique concept of a fuel station. From now on, you only need a leveling system and a dispenser to run your station and of course Cloudics solution. What we do, we take out the physical Forecourt device controller and different payment machines and replace with a new state-of-the-art Cloudics Forecourt Cloud Controller and a mobile payment app for authorization and payment. And therefore, this means that Cloudics is cost efficient because you don't need to purchase any extra hardware. It's eco-friendly because you won't be needing any plastic cards or print out receipts, and it's ready to use. It's probably the fastest way to put up your new station. Cloudics is already used in different stations, and this is an example of our customer. As you can see from the picture, only one tank and a dispenser, and all the work is made through Cloudics solution. If you're interested to hear more, you can always sign up for a demo or feel free to contact me. Thank you.